Hi all, thank you all for subscribing my channel and watching my videos. Today I will show you a very healthy version of spicy grilled fish, and also it's a healthy weight loss recipe. Take fish fillets into bowl. Add chili powder as needed. I eat spicy, so I am adding 2 spoons of chili powder. Now add 1 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of coriander powder and 1 spoon of fish masala powder and 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and mix it together.
Please subscribe my channel.
Finally, add lemon juice. Mix it well. Apply this prepared mixture on the fish fillet evenly and rub it well. For more upcoming videos, please do subscribe my channel. Cover the bowl with sling wrap and refrigerate to marinate for 20 to 30 minutes. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Prefer coconut oil for low calories. As shown, you can grease it. Place marinated fish fillets into the pan and cook the fish fillets from both sides till fully done as shown. As you all know, fish cooks very fast. It takes maximum 10 minutes. You can see oil floats out. Serve hot, healthy, spicy fish fry with lemon, onion and coriander. Hope you all like my video. See you all again with another interesting video. Please do like, comment and share and do subscribe my channel.